Today we will do an easy stand for a Barbie doll. What will we need? A cardboard, small box, ribbon. This is a glass cover, coffee glass cover, some empty reels, some paints, scissors, wood sticks, pen, and hot glue. First of all, we will draw with a pen 2 balls here. And we will cut the balls. Now we already cut the balls. With a Barbie doll we will see where we want to do some holes. And we will do the holes with the pen in both cardboards. Now we will glue this together with the hot glue. Make sure the holes is in the same place. And now we will put the wood sticks here. With a little and glue here. Now we will fulfill this with the rocks to make some weight. Put some glue in both sides, and now we will glue it to the cover. We will cut this in one side, the middle. The other side, the side where not cut, we will glue there. Do the same to the other, cut and glue in the back. And glue to the wood stick in the top here. Glue it well. Now we'll wait a little to the glue to dry. We'll cut a little rainbow to put here. use the hot glue to put it here. Let it dry a little. And now we can paint it. We paint it. And let it dry. I will only paint this part, but if you want you can paint the whole thing. And now here we have an easy stand for a Barbie doll.